Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while playing the game League of Legends. You got an Vanguard error VAN81. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have installed this particular Citrix application into a PC, make sure you completely uninstall this software because it is conflicting with the Vanguard, and that's why you are getting the error VAN81. So make sure you completely uninstall this software. After uninstalling, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now in services menu, press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it, and if the service status is showing stopped, click on the start option to start the service at once. Once the service status is showing running, in the startup type, make it automatic. Now hit apply and OK button. After doing these two changes, restart your PC and then relaunch the game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step, again right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here msconfig and then hit the enter key. Now click on the services tab. Now first of all, check mark the option hide all Microsoft services. After doing so, you need to click on the option disable all to disable all the services present right over here in this pane. After disabling all the services, you need to enable only the VGC service. So scroll down and you will find a service with the name VGC. Only tick mark this particular service and click on the option enable to enable only the VGC as well as Microsoft services into a PC. This is a clean boot of the game. After doing so, hit apply, OK button and then relaunch the game to fix out the issue. If this also failed, in next step, right click on start menu and choose the option task manager. Right in the search box, type in riot to find any riot services running. Right click and then choose the option end task to completely close all the riot services into a system. After completely closing riot services, close it. Now click on start menu, type cmd, choose the option run as administrator. Type here a command sc delete space VGC and hit the enter key. Second one is sc space delete space VGK and hit the enter key. After doing so, close it and make sure to restart your PC because restarting the PC is a mandatory step. After restarting, head over to this PC, C drive, program files and press the R key to find a folder with the name riot Vanguard. Once you find this folder, right click on it and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error. So make sure to restart your PC and then delete this particular folder. After deleting the folder, relaunch the riot client. Go ahead and sign in. Now once you are signed in, select your game and it will ask you to update the game. Click on the option update and relaunch your game and the issue of Vanguard error VAN81 will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.